Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to Learning Design, your one-stop channel for all things tech and creativity. Today, we're diving into the magical world of AI with an incredible tool that's going to blow your mind. Say hello to CGDream AI Image Generator. Imagine having a tool that lets you create stunning images, from 2D to 3D, with just a few clicks. Well, that's exactly what CGDream does. Whether you're a digital artist, a graphic designer, or someone who just loves playing around with visuals, CGDream has got you covered. Alright, let's break it down. CGDream gives you full control over your visuals with a plethora of customization options. You can generate images from text, other images, or even 3D models. Let's start with the basics. First up, generating images from text. All you need to do is type in your description, and watch the magic happen. Want a majestic dragon soaring through the sky? Just type it in, and CGDream will bring it to life in seconds. Pretty cool, right? But that's just the beginning. Next, let's talk about generating images from other images. Upload any picture, and CGDream can transform it into a completely new visual masterpiece. You can even turn your favorite 2D artwork into a 3D model. Now, for all the 3D enthusiasts out there, CGDream has something special. You can render 3D models into impressive images from any angle. Adjust the perspective, tweak the size, and voila! You've got the perfect visual for your project. But wait, there's more. With CGDream's Image to 3D feature, you can turn any image into a 3D model. Fine-tune the angle and dimensions to create visuals that are not only impressive but also unique. Feeling creative? CGDream offers an extensive collection of 300 unique AI filters. Mix and match to create stunning, one-of-a-kind visuals. Let's try a few. From vintage vibes to futuristic feels, these filters can completely transform your images. And if you're looking to improve the quality of your images, the Advanced Image Upscaler is here to help. Enhance the details and bring your visuals to a whole new level of clarity. See the difference? It's like night and day. Made a mistake or want to change something in your image? No problem. With inpainting, you can edit any part of the image or correct imperfections for a polished result. It's like having a magic eraser at your fingertips. Now, here's something really exciting. CGDream hosts AI art challenges where you can showcase your creativity, compete with fellow artists, and win some awesome prizes. It's a great way to get inspired, gain recognition, and be part of a vibrant community. CGDream doesn't just stop at basic image generation. It excels in creating ultra-realistic images within seconds. With its advanced AI algorithms, you can produce visuals so lifelike that they can rival photographs. Whether it's landscapes, portraits, or abstract art, CGDream can generate images with such high fidelity that they stand out in any portfolio or presentation. But the magic doesn't end there. CGDream can create ultra-detailed 4K portrait images in mere seconds, capturing every nuance and detail with stunning clarity. Imagine generating a highly detailed character image, perfect for game design, storyboarding, or even as a unique piece of art. The level of detail and the richness of the textures make CGDream a formidable competitor against any other AI image generator in the market. And for those who love blending 2D and 3D art, CGDream offers an incredible feature to convert any image into a 3D model. Choose your favorite image, and with a few adjustments, transform it into a 3D masterpiece. This opens up endless possibilities for creating immersive visuals for games, animations, and virtual reality projects. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of CGDream and let your imagination run wild. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, this tool will help you bring your artistic visions to life. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. And if you've got any cool creations using CGDream, share them in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep dreaming and creating. Catch you later, creative souls.